All right, so I'm going to make this video to kind of show you guys, how to complete the mean absolute deviation activity. And that way, if you have any questions, you can reference this video and go through the examples again. So the first thing you need to do is add up all of your numbers. So 4 plus 8 is 12, plus 7 is 19, plus 5 is 24, plus 7 is 31, plus 3 is 34, plus 6 is 40. So here my total is going to be 40, and we're dividing it by 8. The reason why we're dividing it by 8 is because we have 8 numbers. And so 40 divided by 8 is going to be 5. Now, if you see here, everything is like the blocks. So we have the mean line here at 5. So 4 is 1 away. 8 is 3 away from 5 because 8 minus 5 is 3. 7 minus 5 is 2. 5 minus 5 is 0. And notice there it's 0 blocks away from the mean. 7 minus 5 is 2. 3 minus 5 is technically negative 2, but we only want the positive values. 5 minus 0 is 5, and 6 minus 5 is 1. And now we add up our new totals. 1 plus 3 is 4, 6, 8, 10, 15, 16. So my new total is 16. We're once again dividing by 8 because there were 8 numbers. 16 divided by 8 is 2. So for this problem, my mean absolute deviation is 2. So we're going to add all the numbers, divide by the total amount of numbers to get my mean, subtract the mean from each number, add up all of the deviations, and then divide again. So we're going to add, divide, subtract each one of them, add, and divide again. So let's go to the examples tab now. So here we're going to add them all up. 4 plus 8 is 12, 19, 24, and 30. We're going to divide by 5 in this case because there are 5 numbers, which makes my mean 6. So now I'm going to go ahead and do this to kind of just show you guys what it looks like. You do not have to do this, but here we're subtracting 6, subtracting 6, subtracting 6, subtracting 6, and subtracting 6. So 4 minus 6 is technically negative 2, but we're going to take the positive version. 8 minus 6 is 2, 7 minus 6 is 1, 5 minus 6, technically negative 1, but we only want positive numbers. 6 minus 6 is 0. Add those up. So 2 plus 1 is 6. And once again, we're dividing it by 5 because we started with 5 numbers, still have 5 numbers. And we get our mean absolute deviation to be 1.2. On this last example, we're going to add them up. So 11 plus 9 plus 36 plus 7 plus 28 plus 41 is going to be 132. And here we're going to be dividing this one by 6 because we have 6 numbers. And when we divide it by 6, we get a mean value or an average value of 22. So then once again, we're going to subtract 22 every time. So 11 minus 22, negative 11, we only want the positive. 9 minus 22 is 13. 36 minus 22 is 14. 22 minus 7 is 15. 22 minus 28 is 6. And 41 minus 22 is 19. We go ahead and add all of these values together. That's going to be 30, 50, 65, 78. Once again, we are going to be dividing this one by 6. And 6 goes into 78 13 times. So my mean absolute deviation is 13. So that's how you do mean absolute deviation. Make sure you guys get your sheet done, and if you have any questions, let me know.